So today's a super exciting one. It's an unboxing. These are like the best videos in the world to watch. I think you like can feel the serotonin through the screen. This one is especially special because I've been wanting this bag for a while. I really held off because I loved my small LouLou. I did just post a review on it. I'm just an extra kind of girl and I need a little bit more room than small, and that's just point blank period. I need more room. So that's what I got. This one's a little bit different. It's not the traditional medium LouLou. This is a top handle version, which I have to refamiliarize my memory with who did it and why, but it was like a special, like limited, I don't want to say edition, but like a small batch that Saint Laurent outlet did. And they're not more expensive, they're actually less expensive. They're just, they're just hard to find. I found mine off of Fashion File. Oh my god. If you really like the top handle LouLou, definitely go on Fashion File because I haven't seen them anywhere else but Fashion File. It's just, to me, is more like casual looking. I think that the double chain is like very like nice for like dressing up and stuff, but for like day to day when I'm wearing like joggers and stuff, I do not need to go that hard. So anyway, long story long, that's what it is, and I'm excited for you to see. I've gotten a few bags from Fashion File at this point. So when you get it, it comes really cute like that. You get, you know, tons of flyers, stuff like that, receipt, which I don't want to look at, nail file, which actually sucks. The paper like comes off of it really easily, so don't use those. A calendar, that's new. And then you get the goods onto the part that you care about. So the bag, normally I've noticed for Fashion File, comes in like their dust bag, and then I've always been like, oh no, I thought it was their dust bag. It's in there. It just is inside the bag. So you get 2 dust bags for Fashion File. Theirs are really big, so open it like that. And then here she is. Spoon, okay. Do you die? Cause I die. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm being ridiculous. If you're not a bag person, you're probably cringing. Color is dark beige. Something to note. Okay, but A, my sweater is like orange. It's like a terracotta, so this is making it look like gray. It's not that gray. It's like the most neutral, cool toned color. It is not dark, like at all. It's the most beautiful beige color, like woo! Okay, so sorry, I'll calm down. But yeah, the color is dark beige. It's the medium top handle edition bag, so other than the hardware, everything's the same. Honestly, this only comes in one size, at least from what I think. The strap is different, and then I think the inside is a little bit different, but like exterior wise, it looks pretty much the same. This is definitely bigger than the small LouLou that I had, so that's kind of why I had my eyes on it. I did get the silver hardware as well. Even though I actively like wear gold all the time, I'm just not a fan of gold hardware on my bags for day to day. I just think silver looks more, you know, cash. So you open it up, and this is also different. They've got these little like T-screws, or I don't even know what you would call these, but that's obviously what holds the top handle. So that's right there. And then you do have a long strap, which you can have without. That's important to note. You can carry this bag just as a top handle, like that, which I love. I love a top handle moment. I think that is gonna look so classy for when I'm going to the office, or if I'm dressing it up at date night. I think that is so cute. So I love that. And then it also has an adjustable strap. And if you saw my review on the small LouLou, that chain one doesn't adjust. It could be inconvenient for some. Where it hits, I think, is huge, because when you get into the medium LouLou, it hits like right here, and it's just like, it just doesn't look right. So I like that I can change where it hits. When you open it up, then you will see your Saint Laurent dust bag. This pocket right here is normally on the back here on the small LouLou, and then it only has one zipper and the regular LouLou. This one has 2 zippers. That's pretty neat. Yeah, so 2 zippers. Oh, hit myself. 1 zipper back here, gaping hole, 1 zipper right here like the other one has, gaping hole, and then that little like useless pocket right there. So a whole lot more compartments. I really appreciate that. If you're just looking for a, you know, just catch all, get another full. If you are looking for some context of how it will look on, so on me, again, I'm 5'7". This is just how it comes. Oh, that's perfect. I normally just wear it in front like that. Or I carry my Antigonia like this. I would honestly probably carry it the same way. I just feel like this bag is very like ladylike, you know? Like it looks like a woman carries this bag. I'm so tickled if you can't tell. But yeah, that is my new baby, my special baby. I'm so obsessed. And oh, another thing too is it has these feet, which I really like, and none of the other LouLous have these feet. So anyway, if you have any questions about it, please comment below. I'm happy to answer. But yeah, other than that, cheers, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.